Hey, what's up guys? So in the month of April, Xiaomi is expected to launch its most premium Xiaomi 14 Ultra smartphone. This upcoming beast from Xiaomi has now been seen in live hands-on images. It seems to be a camera test with the newly launched Vivo X100 Pro and Xiaomi 14 Pro. The back of the phone was covered with a protective case, but it seems to have a quad camera setup with a periscope lens on the lower right side. It might feature the current trend of a large circular camera module or a design similar to the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. It could be an early prototype and the final design may be slightly different. If you look closely, we can see markings N1, P2 and EU, and according to Xiaomi UI, N1 aligns with the expected model number, whereas P2 suggests it's a prototype and EU hints at a potential global version intended for European markets. Past reports have revealed a quad camera setup headlined by a 50 megapixel Sony LYT900 sensor with variable aperture. The main sensor will be paired with a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens and a 50 megapixel periscope lens. The body of the Xiaomi 14 Ultra might be made from titanium, a trend set by Apple. Powering this bad boy will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, which is not a surprise, and due to the chipset, the handset may come with several AI features. Under the hood, there could be a 5180 mAh battery with 90 watt fast wired and 50 watt fast wireless charging. It is also expected to feature two-way satellite connectivity, which in my opinion is a must-have feature on any flagship phone. Apart from this, not much is known about the handset, but hopefully newer reports will reveal more about the handset. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. As always, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.